Hello, everyone. So, update on my CV Builder app. I added the functionality for the progress bar at the top. So, the active page that you're currently on, if you'll notice, the text is in bold while the others are a little thin. And then each page you're on will correspond to the step. And like while you're on the page, it'll have the number, but once you hit next, it have a little bit of a transition and it fills in the circle with a check. So, you know that you already completed that step. So you keep on going. And also, by the way, for the education, I fixed the bug. I made it so that the radio button and the here where it says check if still attending, they're never going to be showing at the same time. So if one is checked, the whole thing is hidden. And if you check this, the radio button isn't even an option. But if you uncheck it, then it has did you graduate. So that way neither one will be checked at the same time, so it won't mess up the conditional. All right. And then again, if you download it, until I do the real PDF converter, it messes up just because one, it shows a scroll bar because I'm printing the whole window. So whatever the window sees, it does it like the little bar up here for my recording shows up too. But I just did it to format the resume just so it looks correct for when I do rewrite it using functional components. And I'll go ahead and add that React to Print, I think it's called, NPM package, which I know it works because I made like a little mini program and I tested it out. It's just the way I wrote this because I use class components. I can't use two different types of components, not for that function anyway. So but yeah, so, and you can tell for education, there's three different options. Either you graduated, so it'll say graduated for the date and then the end date and then your degree. And then say you're still attending, it'll show your GPA, your start date, and then to present. And then if you went to college, but you did not graduate, it just says completed coursework in psychology and whatever your minor was, if you listed it. And for all these, the minor is optional. So if the minor is actually an empty string in the state, I just don't even mention the minor at all up here. And I also implemented, made it responsive. So if you go all the way back, all the sections are responsive. I use CSS Grid, which is super easy. Just change it from 2 columns to 1 column and then got rid of some of the padding. But yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching.